This is the unboxing of my new ukulele. Not the easiest thing to do in the outside, but it's such a lovely day. I'm in my lunch hour. I'll quickly open it. Might take a while. There's a lot of sellotape on it. This is from Matt Warnes from World of Ukes, based in Carlisle. Bought it on the internet. A lot of people don't like buying ukuleles on the internet. I've never had a problem with it, especially with Matt. He does such good deals. He used to work for Amiga Music. Now he's got his own company called World of Ukes. He sells more upper class. What's the word? Upper class, not more higher end ukuleles. You don't tend to stock the cheaper ones at Macars or whatever, but more of the higher end ones. This one's a limited edition. It's his own design. He only had commissioned about 36 to be built. He's only got a couple left. He's nearly out of stock. On his website at the minute, it says he's out of stock, but he's just counting what he's got at the minute, but he's not got many left, he tells me. I've had one of Matt's ukes before what he designed. I was really happy with it. It's well packed. Lots of bubble wrap. Oh. The rest of the box is empty. There's my uke. That's a good bubble wrap. This is a tenor size. This is Pioneer. Maddie, what are you eating now? Well, go chocolate lamb, he's eating everything. He also puts Worth Browns on them. He's also, for free of charge, he put me an OG on it. It's really good of him, because I know Worth Brown OG is going to be quite expensive. Comparatively. And you have to buy them cheaply, so that was good of him. Oh, look at this. Rubber wrap. Alright, well wrapped, Matt. Wow, look at that, it's beautiful. I don't think that is a low G. Certainly doesn't look like it. He's probably forgot, it don't matter. I did say I've got plenty myself. There you go. Look at the bottom, look how it goes in there. And all this Pioneer model always has a strap button on the end as well. Worth bound strings, solid acacia. Can't see if you can see this well. There's the World of Ukes logo in pearl, inlaid in pearl. Not sure what tuners they are. There's a tuner as well. It's got a mahogany stripe up the back. It's ebony faceplate. Black white back trim around it, abalone ram sound hole. So a quick tune of it. Hard to see what I'm doing actually, it's very bright out here. Oh, you can hear me. I'm talking quite quietly, I just realised. get the idea. That's quite nice, that. I'm pleased with that. Thanks, Matt. Thanks, Matt at World Ukes. That lovely green on there. That lovely shape at the bottom. And it smells gorgeous in acacia. Well, that's it, sound hole. You can see the label inside. Just go there, look. Load of Ukes. Pioneer T1. Oh, the strap, I always like the straps. There's some beautiful straps on eBay. They're from Straps of Chords, Tracy Clark from on eBay. So if you look for ukulele straps on eBay, on the UK one anyway, that's the one I could find to match it. I normally do quite well at matching it. I'm not done that good this time actually, but see if you like the angular patterns on it, I thought it would match the bottom a bit more. And the gold colour matching with the gold on the wood. Anyway, there we go. Hope you liked it.